All right, good day, viewers. I remember my humble self again. Otemu Ogeneyerowotation on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Mass Success. Otemu Mass Success. Now, I will be teaching this topic on the board is permutation, and it's a topic called permutation and combination. But I want to separate it as well as this video. I will teach permutation. So those who want to write JAM, who are writing WAEC, further maths, subscribe and learn maths. Even if you are not a student, you can equally learn maths online without stress. God bless you. Permutation means arrangement in statement question. Now, if you are asked to say n permutation arrow, simply means n factorial over n minus arrow all factorial. So with this, you can solve any problem on permutation and combination. Let me take example number 1. If you're asked to evaluate 8 permutation theory, solution. 8 permutation theory. 8 permutation theory is 8 factorial over 8 minus 3 all factorial is 8 factorial all over 8 minus 3 all factorial. So here is now 8 factorial. 8 minus 3 is now 5 factorial. So we can now say 8 factorial is now 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. This is 5 years, so we will stop there. 5 factorial over 5 factorial. So this 5 factorial will cancel 5 what? Factorial. Now, what is 8 times 7 times 6? Give us 336. The answer is 336. Let me give you example number. Yes, look at question number 2. In how many ways can 10 students be arranged from a group of 4 students in a quiz competition? If it is permutation, the big number come like this before small one. If it's combination, 4 come here and 10 will be here. That is combination. But now, this is now 10 permutation 4, which simply means 10 factorial over 10 minus 4 factorial. 10 factorial over 10 minus 4 factorial. So here is 10 factorial. What is 10 minus 4 is 6 factorial. Is 6 factorial. So we can bring it down. 10 factorial is now 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. Of course, we have 6 factorial here. Over 6 factorial. 6 factorial will cancel 6 factorial. So what will now be our answer? We will now multiply. What is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 is 5040 ways. So it can be arranged in 5040 ways. Okay, let me do the last example, but not the least. Stay tuned, share my video, watch from start to end. The last one is also important. All right, let's work on number 3. We are asked to evaluate 5 permutation, no, sorry, 7 permutation 5 times 4 permutation 2. 7 permutation 5 times 4 permutation 2 means 7 factorial over 7 minus 5 factorial times 4 factorial over 4 minus 2 factorial. So here will give us 7 factorial. 7 minus 5 is 2 factorial times 4 factorial over another 2 factorial, because 4 minus 2 is 2. So here means 7 times 5 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3. 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over this 2 factorial is multiplying 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial. 2 factorial will cancel 2 factorial. 2 factorial will cancel 2 what? Factorial. So what is now 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 give us 2 5 2 0. 4 times 3 is 12. Now, what is that times 12? Give us 3 0 2 4 0. So when you evaluate that, you're getting 30,240. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My next video will be talking about combination, then we'll now apply it into problem solving. God bless you.